Hi, my name is Octavio and this is my experiment for chemistry class. So, while I was traveling on the internet, I found this curious experiment. Not because I looked for it or something like that, just because I found it and I wanted to do it. So, this experiment consists on it is of a plastic bag with full of water that you can cross it with a pencil without getting any water out of it. But you probably be saying how can you do that? Like all the water is gonna get out when you cross it with a pencil, but not. This has an explanation, and after looking for this information for a lot of time, I finally found it. And it is because when you when you cross the bag of water with this pencil, you need to have first a special bag for this experiment, which is you can use a Ziploc bag or an hermetic bag to keep the water on. So when you cross the bag with water with the pencil, all the molecules of water that are in the bag separate, but instantly when the pencil is in, not already all in, but when the pencil is in, the molecules like get joined again, and this movement of the molecules produce this hermetic effect that it's going to produce that it's going to make that our water in the bag doesn't get out. But first let me explain you what is a moleculus. A moleculus is like a set of atoms, like it could be of two or more atoms that you want to form a moleculus. In this case, we have the molecules of water, which is made of one atom of oxygen and two atoms of hydrogen. And these atoms are all joined because they share their electrons and they make these molecules. So that's why when you like the molecules of water in their abbreviation, it's H2 from two hydrogen, O from oxygen, from one oxygen, and that's the molecules of water. And the hermetic effect or hermetic. Hermetic means that nothing can enters into it when you have, like, for example, in this case the hermetic bag, nothing can enters into it and nothing can gets out of it when it is already closed. Like you can get the air out of it when it is already open, but once you close it, it can anything can get into it, also including the air or any fluids can't enter into it. That's why a lot of people use these plastic bags, these Ziploc bags, these hermetic things to keep their food in. Or yes, like for example when you go to the school and you have your sandwich in one of these, that's a pretty clear example. So after this explication, I hope you have it clear of what is a molecules, why does this happen, and how does the experiment work. So then I started thinking. With all of this information, I made my hypothesis, and it was, if the pencil can cross the bag without getting water out, then the pencil must produce an hermetic effect on the bag with water, because if not, all of the water and also the air, the tiny amount of air that is on it, will get out once you cross it. So that's my hypothesis. And now let's continue with our experiment. So as you saw in our last part of the video, this experiment is true, and we couldn't make this without the molecules of the water and the effect that this produces, that it's the hermetic effect. So in conclusion, we couldn't make this experiment without this hermetic effect, and because all the water will get out. So Yeah, that's everything, and see you later.